Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix unable to confirm your age in Facebook Marketplace. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, and as you can see this is my Marketplace profile, right? And as you can see right here under account, my Marketplace access, I have full access here, right? And all you need to do is actually just enable two-factor authentication, and this has happened to many users where they set up two-factor authentication. After that, the option to upload the ID appears in the settings, and then you just go ahead and upload your ID photo. As you can see right here, my Marketplace is active, and all you need to do is upload the photo of your ID. It must be in focus, all four corners showing, and you will be good to go. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.